This dude is a walking accidental duster. Bow in the presence of the Queen of Fluff. This little guy. There was a mouse. Hark, the call of the floof sounds in the distance. Do you even lift, bro? Draw me like one of your French floofs. DIY Perm. This guy's floof shall be restrained by no man. Don't hate me because I'm Fluffy-ful. Check out my Marilyn pose. What's snow?
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.